Read. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. So 4 little monkeys jumped on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Read. What did the doctor say? No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Good. What did the doctor say?
No monkeys bed.